It is morning at Bobblehead Homestead. I am Jeff. Today is Saturday. It's a little after 7 a.m. Everybody got their food. I let them all out, and I'm getting ready to go down in the new place with a bulldozer. When the bulldozer got here, it wouldn't start, and I had this portable power pack, but it wasn't fully charged, so it did not get the bulldozer going. But luckily, old boss Hog here had enough juice in the battery and engine to jump start that bulldozer, and that's how we got her going. Bye, bulldozer. Hello, cleared land. Well, the trees are down anyway. It's not cleared yet. Bulldozer man strikes again. He cleared the land at my current property to get my chicken business going, and now he's helped clear the land at my new property to help get my chicken business expanded and growing. So yeah, big thumbs up to Bulldozer man. Unfortunately, he was next door. Now I only get a bulldozer for half a day, but hey, half a day can accomplish a lot. Let's look around. It looks like a mess, but let's look around. I'll start off here where the side porch was torn down, and there's my driveway and the road and a car coming. Got some, there are a couple small trees. There were a couple small trees in there. Got them pushed back. We did not get to everything, and that's all right. More work for everybody coming on Tuesday. There's a nice sized tree and a couple trees there. It looks like a lot more brush than it is, and I don't know where I'm gonna walk. I guess I'll walk around this nice big cedar tree. Very cool cedar tree. This is probably where the shed house will go, over in here, and lots of rocks. Yep, and they're not small ones either, and it's not sandstone like my current place. Nice pile of rocks there. Yeah, it won't take long to process that. Now I gotta climb over this hill. But there's a lot more that got cleared behind it. Oh, and I'm walking through stickers. So a few small trees. We left all the big trees. Left all the big trees. It was mostly the, well, you can see the size of trees that are down. And then, yeah, pretty good patch back in here. And mostly it's small stuff. There are, well, like that, the one behind that post, that's something that could go, but yeah, close enough. And that one, I don't know if that's still alive or if it just but a few more trees that can come down. I don't know how to get past here. We didn't exactly put a path through it. Alright. You can see the chicken house that was already here. And there's a pre-built chicken run. But he went into that, and that's partly Drew's property too. So that's the back of where the back of our properties meet. And that looks like a lot of brush in there, but those are all downed small trees. So this one he couldn't get. You can tell he tried. I probably got it on video. He could not get that one. So that one we might finish getting. But this big cedar tree we saved, and there's another nice pine behind it. Some nice big ones back there. So yeah, we left all the big trees, and we just went a little ways onto Drew's property. But I can fit all my chickens in this space if we've got the down trees at least out of the way, or somewhere else. It's kind of dry, so I don't want to be burning anything on Tuesday, but we can start making piles here and there, and that'll be good. We can do some wood chipping, but not all of this. Save the mulberry tree that Papa Pepper planted. Yes, yes. And I was gonna get to some of the smaller trees in there, but yeah, still there's a handful of trees. 1, 2, 3, 3 small ones in here. There's 4. Yeah, there's probably a dozen or so trees like this that could still go down, and then probably another dozen, you know, really little ones that you could, like the one next to there, that you could almost get with your loppers. All right. That is the tour of the bulldozer work. I would say I don't know, maybe 80, 100 feet. Didn't go all the way down the road. We left a nice buffer. But probably 80 or 100 feet from where my driveway ends. And then going back that way another 80 or 100 feet. This is just about the back corner of my property. Behind me is National Forest. That's the road over there. And yeah, that looks like a lot of brush, but those are down trees, so it'll be clear through there. Nice clearing in here with some nice big trees. Not completely shaded, but should be shade enough. That is a plan that I've had incubating for a couple months now, and it finally hatched today. See what I did there? Incubate. Okay. Yeah, not enough sleep. Not nearly enough sleep. I did not get the emails. I needed to sleep, and it's about 1:30 in the afternoon. I'm going home. I should be weed eating and 100 other things, but I need to sleep, so I'm going to get a nap in today, and I will get to emails. I'll make sure everybody knows where to go. But for now, I am headed home, back to a cell signal and internet. I've had no service today. Well, this morning, yeah, I was standing in the road. Yeah, so I had a cell, yeah. Oh, anyway, I'm tired. And 40 minutes home, it's 20 miles an hour. I'll keep the window down, blast my stereo. It'll all be good. You'll see this tonight, and I'll be back at it tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Thanks for everything. Yeah, take it easy.